Welcome back. We have traveled from Singapore to Boracay in my previous video. It was a long journey and we ended up entering Henann Crystal Sands Hotel. We are going to be here at Boracay for 4 days. We'll start off with a room tour. This is the deluxe room, and once you enter, there is this area to sit and it opens up to the room. It's a very big and comfy bed. There's a sitting place and then a mirror as well as a good TV. So just another different view of that room. Sorry for it being a bit messy because I forgot to take the video when I immediately entered the room. So there's a small area like a balcony to hang your clothes. There isn't much view, but that's fine because we have a lot of activities outside. And as you go to the entrance area, it also opens up on the right to the toilet. There's a standing shower area as well as a basin, and then there's a washroom on the right. That's about it for the room. Let me show you a quick glance of all the different common areas within the resort. Okay, this pool is on the second floor and it has a very nice view of the beach. And it has a very good atmosphere with all the coconut trees around. And this area on the right is where it's protruding out, and this is a very good spot to see the sunset. I just wanted to orientate ourselves on where we are and also the number of days that we'll be spending at Boracay. This is a simplified map of Boracay. It is divided into these categories as you see. This area here is called the White Sand Beach, and that itself is divided into Station 1, 2 and 3. Henann Crystal Sands is actually at this area of Station 1, and it is conveniently located just beside D Mall, which has a lot of eateries and has things to do. So that's one of the reasons that we booked here, and this beach is supposed to be very crystal clear and nice. We'll be staying here 2 days and then we'll be moving on to the another side of Boracay, which is at Billabong Beach. Sorry if I pronounce it wrongly. We'll be going to Aqua Boracay to actually stay there and get a different feel of the island. So let's get going. So we have just checked in and we have left the things in the room. We walked to D Mall and this is a restaurant called Steampunk. The burgers that we ordered just arrived. That's a mega milkshake, by the way. We were very hungry, so we started eating very quickly. The food was very good in terms of taste. The cost was around 1,300 pesos for 2 burgers and one of the mega milkshake. After lunch, we went to sleep in our rooms and we only woke up around 5:30. This is just in front of Henann Crystal Sands Resort. So we decided to take a walk here, and you can see the sand is a little wavy because probably the tide has gone down. The view is pretty nice with a lot of ships sailing and behind the sunset. And this is the area which has a lot of shops, a lot of things going on at night. And you can see right in front, that's our hotel Henann Crystal Sands, which is lit up pretty well. We are now taking a stroll along the beach where there's a lot of restaurants, eateries. Currently the atmosphere is pretty vibrant with music, a lot of lights. So in the front there's some neon lights, not sure what is it.
This Henann Regency Resort seems pretty hip with a lot of people there. Seems like they are having a dinner buffet. There are quite a few souvenir shops along the way which are selling shades, keychains, shells, and such. We took a look, but we have not made any purchase. I just wanted to delay it till tomorrow because we are not sure what's the pricing like here. With the whole previous night not being slept well over the flight, we went back to our room and went to sleep. Let's go back to day 2.
So this is second day, 5th November. Um, this is our room, and yesterday we came in, we were tired, and we went to sleep. And we brought in dinner from Jollibee. So today we are going to go to the breakfast, which is right there. There. And yeah, this hotel is known to have very good breakfast. So let me show you around later. Right.
On the way to the breakfast, we have to pass by the main swimming pool of this hotel, so I thought I'll just have this video on so that you can take a look at how it looks like in the corridors and also the swimming pool. So here we are at the main swimming pool. It is divided into two, where in the central it's a walkway for a common guest. On the sides, the access to the swimming pool from the particular room is a private access for those rooms. Arya is always pointing to the water. I believe she really wants to go to the swimming pool. So after breakfast, we'll probably head off to the beach as well as the swimming pool to enjoy the rest of the day. Okay, so the restaurant is just facing the beach. Right in front of us is the walkway to the beach, and on the right is the restaurant. There seems to be a lot of people heading over to breakfast. Hope it's not too crowded. So we'll now head over to the breakfast to check out what is there. Okay, this seems like samosa with 5 variety of sauces, and then there's a lot of slightly Korean salads and stuff, buns. So many different varieties of buns. This looks pretty interesting. Probably Arya will like those. And these are the bread spreads and the bread with a toaster there. Okay, this side is the local cuisine, to make some soup and bacon, and there's a wide number of cakes. I'll just go back to the other side, which seems to have a more significant amount of food. Eggs, there's a lot of pancakes, different types of pancakes, and then again a noodle station where you can put things and they will make a noodle for you. There's different types of butters, hams, and I think I'm getting to the main part where there's like rice and stuff. Okay, so there's white rice. Sorry, got interrupted by someone there. There was pork, 2 types of chicken. We are now back at our table with all the food that we took. The pancakes was specially nicely decorated with good mornings and even putting their names. We are done with breakfast, and the breakfast wasn't extraordinary as what was described online. However, wanted to take an appreciation of the beach and the different colors of blue of the seawater.
Thank you. Okay, done with breakfast. Now back to the room. Okay, let's go. Okay, originally we wanted to go to the island hopping today, but since Arya was slightly not feeling well after a lot of flights, we wanted to delay it to the next day, so that Arya is okay. Arya, are you okay? But she seems to be very happy with the pool. Sunny? Sunny! Okay. Now we are walking back to the room. Let's see. Okay, now we are ready, all changed, going to the beach. Let's go! Walk out of our hotel and we're going to the beach.
While playing at the beach, there were a few people who approached us on Crystal Kayak rental, so we got this for 30 minutes for 500 pesos. The person who rented us this was even willing to actually take photos for us. Though this place looks pretty deep, it is not. Actually, you can see people who are walking here, and it still felt safe to actually do this kayak with a kid. After that, we moved on to the hotel swimming pool, and it was already 11 a.m. We were slowly making our way and progressing to our hotel room so that Arya can have an afternoon nap. We spent the afternoon in our hotel room where Arya could sleep, and then we watched some movies. We were back awake at 5 p.m. to catch the sunset, and this is the view from the top swimming pool. The sun has set and we are here back again on the same street, trying to enjoy the ambience, and hopefully we can find the same souvenir shop that we actually looked at yesterday. We found the keychain shop that we saw yesterday, so we have ordered it and they are making it now. It is 7 keychains where they are actually imprinting the name that you write them in the paper. So it's 100 pesos for 7, which seems pretty worth it. There are other shops that are selling for 5 keychains for 100 pesos or 3 keychains, so this seems to be the most worth it. We looked around and decided on getting our dinner at this place called Miss Wrap, and we packed back our dinner to the hotel and started to wind down and sleep much earlier because the next day we are going to go for island hopping. We'll wrap up this episode here as we have seen what Henann Crystal Sands Resort looks like and the activities around it. Tomorrow we are looking forward for the island hopping, and let's get going. Bye now.